The Mxtxmy Extendable round dining table smoothly transforms from a compact circular table into an oval layout, so it comfortably shifts from everyday meals to larger gatherings without feeling cramped. Its cross-shaped pedestal base includes a wide lower shelf that works well for storing dishes or baskets, keeping the tabletop clear while still leaving plenty of room for legs and chairs. The combination of a wood-look top and modern farmhouse styling gives this table a warm, inviting presence that fits naturally into kitchens, dining rooms, or open-plan living spaces. When fully extended, the table easily accommodates a larger group for family dinners, game nights, or casual meetings, and the rounded shape helps everyone stay part of the same conversation. The thick engineered wood top and sturdy support frame feel solid in use, and the scratch-resistant, water-resistant finish makes everyday cleanup quick with just a damp cloth. Assembly is straightforward thanks to labeled parts and clear instructions, and the hidden storage for the extension leaves means you do not need to find extra closet space to keep the pieces together.